First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna cut this. You're gonna cut your pipette into a manageable size pipette. So you're gonna cut both ends off. All right, let's get started. You take your Versagel and you pour it in. Use all of it. And you take about 10 milliliters of grapeseed oil. And then you take about 10 milliliters of vitamin E, or you could use castor oil, or you can use more grapeseed oil if you don't want that, to mix. Okay, you're gonna mix. You're gonna mix like you've never mixed before. I'm gonna pause here. We're gonna mix for about 2 minutes. Always check for your consistency. If it's clumpy, keep mixing. Guys, I am still mixing, but look how the consistency has changed. Okay, we're almost there. Keep mixing. Your arm will start to hurt. When they start to hurt, that means they're good. See, look how smooth this is. It's very smooth, very silky. That's good. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna add some sprinkles to it. A little goes a long way on here. A little goes a long way. Don't add too much. And this is good. Before you add your color, make sure you mix it well, right? Make sure it's nice and pretty. I mix my 2 sprinkles together, but you can get them separated. They usually come in 2 separate containers. So I'm gonna add a little more. Because I want to add a little more. And then you mix. You're always mixing. Okay. When it comes to this, you're always going to mix. See? This one, very pretty, very clear. Next, we're going to separate. I got a little container that I'm going to do a different color in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some and I'm going to pour some in here. Almost about this much. Not too much. This much. Right? And I'm going to take my color, which is these. You can buy these on Amazon. Okay, it's ready to add some pigment. We're going to add some pigment. Remember, a little goes a long way. This color is called cyan. I think it's so pretty. And we mix. So when you're making lip glosses, you're gonna do a lot of mixing. That's okay. How pretty that is. Okay. We're filling next, guys. All right, so you have your syringe and you have the pipette attached to it. When you're filling multiple tubes of different colors, you could always put white Versagel or clear Versagel at the end and squeeze it out. The previous one I did was a pink one. That's why you see a hint of pink in there. So let's start with filling. So you're gonna be very patient when you're doing this, guys, because I'm gonna squeeze it from the bottom, but you can do it from the top too. And you do it slowly. There's no rush with this. See, it's going in. Okay. And then we take our tubes, tubes, and we slowly, and I stress slowly, guys, fill them. Okay. And remember, you don't want to fill it halfway, you want to fill about 3/4 of the way. All right, so we're ready. So you're gonna take this stopper and we're gonna put it on here. And we're going to close our there you go. Nice, right?